$10 million. That's the answer the Makera Z1 delivered on its crowdfunding campaign. How did a desktop CNC shatter industry crowdfunding records? In the past, CNC meant high cost, complex setups, and pro-only software. But today, with the Makera Z1, that story is about to change. We believe professional-grade equipment should be accessible to everyone. Stopping at plastic and wood simply wasn't an option. The Z1 delivers true industry capability, defining exactly what we mean by entry-level CNC, pro-level power. Take the titanium and stainless steel challenge. Stable precision and relentless. It can even thread M1 to M8 directly on metal and batch mill aluminum with ease. Raw power is common. The real challenge is controlling that power. Look at this paper carving challenge. Precision engraving on cardboard requires millimeter perfect control. Too much force would tear it, too little leaves no mark. From milling PCB circuits to crafting intricate brass dials, the Z1 proves it handles everything from electronic engineering to watchmaking level precision. Convincing over 6,000 backers takes more than just raw specs. It has to be intuitive. Makera's proprietary software makes complex CAM programming as intuitive as a 3D printing slicer. Paired with the vacuum table and multifunctional vise, it shrinks heavy-duty factory tooling right onto your desktop. This balance of industrial design and performance earned it the 2025 French Design Gold Award and the IFA Innovation Award.
And if you want to get into CNC machining and upgrade your game from 3D printing to making metal parts, Makera is Hacksmith approved.
Flawless track record on Kickstarter, and the Z1 already worked very well for my purposes.
The Makera Z1 performed well and exceeded my expectations. I wouldn't call it a beginner CNC, but rather a beginner-friendly machine that serious newcomers can grow into. The price is not cheap at around $900, but the hardware is solid, and the included software package is strong enough for beginners and even more advanced users.
For the price and the features you get and the ability to cut steel if you really need to, I think it's a heck of a deal for the home gamer.
I'm still impressed with the precision and strength of this machine. It is still very solid at its core.
Even though this is a smaller CNC machine, it's still very capable of producing large, impressive pieces. It's got a ton of amazing features for a much more reasonable price for a hobbyist.
I see why people really want this machine. I don't know if there's anything else at this price point that can achieve these sorts of results.
It's not just the machine, it's the ultimate unlock for a creator's potential. This is the reason the Makera Z1 raised $10 million, empowering everyone with professional-grade creativity. Thank you to the 6,000 plus backers who witnessed history with us. Your enthusiasm has given us the courage to push beyond what we thought possible. Makera will continue to champion your needs and inspire your creativity.